So what's going on, my peoples? We are here, man. Up in the building to cook up some oxtail, and I had to settle for what I could get because these oxtails are kind of on the big side. But we'll cook you up, seeing what you're seeing. So today ingredients I'll use some. We have some Scotch bonnet pepper. We have some bell peppers. We have some onion. We have some scallion. We have some rosemary. We're gonna cook it down with some. Right here, I got some Jamaican all-purpose seasoning that I'm gonna be using. Then I got some cayenne pepper. Then I use some garlic powder. And I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of mix it with some more all-purpose. And then I have local onion powder, paprika, and some black pepper. And of course, I got the browning. You gotta use the browning. But the most important part of this recipe is I got me a slice of red velvet cake. That's the most important part of the recipe. So before I get started with anything, let me go ahead. I'm gonna get my cut up all the vegetables right inside the oxtail. Right. Usually I have my veggie prepared for you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it from start to finish. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So, sometimes I like to chop the veggie on the side, but sometimes I just chop it right over it, So we're gonna chop it right over it and get them nice and lovely. I season this real proper, real proper. Put lots of seasoning in it and make it taste really, really good. One thing I forgot to buy when I was at the store, I forgot to buy some butter beans to put in this oxtail. Oxtail take a long time to cook, so probably during the cooking period, I probably run to the supermarket and buy some what do you call it? Butter bean. You know what I'm saying? So cut up some of my red pepper. Depending on the oxtail, sometimes oxtail can take up to 2.5 hours to cook, I'm still debating if I should put one Scotch bonnet pepper or two. Let me cut up this one to see how it look. You know what? I put two. Oxtail well hot. Well hot and lovely. No seeds though, no seeds. Well, a little bit of seeds. Yeah, hot them up. Drop some rosemary in them. Put some more red pepper in them. Drop some onion in them. I season them up right now. Put a little black pepper. Don't put too much black pepper. Well, I don't like to put too much black pepper, I drop some paprika in there. Get them nice and spicy, Drop some of my cayenne in there too. Nice, I like that nice spicy taste, Drop local onion powder in it. And then know, this my favorite. This is my Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. I'll drop some in. Get them nice and lovely. Yeah, see them there? Yep, just like that. All right, now man, I put some drop some garlic in there. No garlic powder. And then just a little bit of this, because sometimes I like to get a mixture of different seasoning to bring out, you know, a different type of taste. And before I put it brown in there, I'm gonna turn on the stove real quick. I drop a little bit of oil in the stove, so right now we're gonna drop a little bit of browning in here and season them up nice. And look, I said a little bit. That looked like a little bit too much, but it's all good. Yeah, that's it right there. Get them on, season them up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Yes, sir. Looking so nice and lovely right now. I'm gonna get ready for the browning process. This look to me like it need a little bit more all-purpose in it. So I took off my gloves, got my gloves all messed up. Drop some, look a bit more all-purpose in it. Yeah, right there. That's it. That is it. So I mix them up. So I was telling you earlier that your most important recipe is a red velvet cheesecake. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna stop whatever it is that you're doing. You're gonna open this, you're gonna grab your fork, you're gonna go like this, you're gonna take your bite. That's what I'm talking about. Back to some serious work. So as you can see, I put a little bit of oil in here. So what I'm gonna do, let this get hot. It looks like it is getting hot, and I'm gonna take out all my oxtail one by one, and then I'm gonna brown it in here, you know. Brown it, and you know, a lot of people like to throw the seasoning in at the same time they brown it, but you know, I don't like to do that. It's nice and easy. Take off all the veggies. I like to take off all the veggies, you know. Some big oxtails, I tell you. I was trying to tell them to cut it for me, but you know, you guys are busy this time of day, but it's all good though. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna take our time and keep turning and turning and turning, you know, so it don't get burning and burning and burning, you know. See that nice color we getting right now? That's what you want to see before you add any type of liquid to this. Exactly what you want to see. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. $30 worth of oxtail. Oxtail is so expensive nowadays, I tell you. So I'm gonna add a little water to this, and I'm gonna stir it up and get ready to put it in the oxtail. So right here I added some water, just enough to cover the top of the veggies. And we're gonna add it inside the oxtail. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this cook down nice and easy at, like, you know, I'll say like a medium high for now. I'll cook it down for like, check it periodically, but you know, it's gonna take approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, even up to 2.5 hours to cook down nice and easy. You know what I'm saying? One thing my sister did teach me, like this will cook down faster if you put if you had ice in here when you get ready to put the water. Real complicated. You know what? Never mind that. It's kind of complicated right now. So we're gonna cook this down nice and lovely.